How to fix network security block on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you fix the issue like your request has been blocked by a network security. So let's get started. First, as you have to check your Wi-Fi or internet connection, simply you'll have to disconnect and reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Step 2, you can try your mobile data. Switch from your Wi-Fi to mobile data to see if the site or app loads. After that, you'll have to just also restart your iPhone. For that, open up settings. From settings, tap on general. And from here, scroll down and tap on shutdown. After you tap on that and restart your iPhone, your problem should be fixed. If you are still getting that option, disable the VPN and proxy. For that, from the general section again, tap on VPN and device management. From here, you'll have to turn off all of the VPN and proxy. After that, you'll have to also reset the network settings. For that, from the general section, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. From here, tap on reset. And from here, tap on reset network settings. From here, confirm with your iPhone passcode. After that, simply tap on reset network settings. After that, you'll be able to reset all of the entire Wi-Fi and mobile data connection. After that, your problem should be fixed. If you are still facing that problem, you'll have to update your iOS. For that, from the general section, tap on software update. From the section, if you find any update, simply tap on update. After you update latest version of iOS, from there, you'll have to also check to try another network or different Wi-Fi network. After that, your problem should be fixed. And that's it. These are the steps to fix network security block on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.